United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 158. Organs of the Authority. 1. There are hereby established, as the principal organs of the authority, an assembly, a council and a secretariat. 2. There is hereby established the enterprise, the organ through which the authority shall carry out the functions referred to in Article 170, paragraph 1. 3. Such subsidiary organs, as may be found necessary, may be established in accordance with this part. 4. Each principal organ of the authority, and the enterprise, shall be responsible for exercising those powers and functions which are conferred upon it. In exercising such powers and functions, each organ shall avoid taking any action which may derogate from or impede the exercise of specific powers and functions conferred upon another organ.